guys, today I'm just be eating flipsides. Regular video. I have both regular for my brother. You're gonna see flipside, that's a flipside. Just gonna eat him out of the box. In this same video, I'm gonna be naming this eating flipsides. And eating flipsides. Okay. The name is Eating Flipsides, and I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do over there. The title's going to be Eating Flipsides, and you're not going to know what else. I won't be eating anything else. I'm going to plan something. Perfect, you can see the box. Looks really good, but okay, that's so lame. Follow us on Pinterest? What? Stupid, right, guys? Look at that one. That is the one we have. That one. But it has garlic herb on it. It's really good. Look at that poster right there. Pretty cool. This is the weirdest poster ever. Right, guys? I didn't know you saw that, but this Epic Gamers Wanted? What? I know, guys. Blech. After this video, I'm gonna upload a video about elk. You can see that whole thing now. I'm touching the wall, literally. Oh, the poster feels like weird.
Yeah, and it's cute. Orange cute.
That was my mom. She's gonna record me. So you know, damn, you don't know what it's gonna be doing. It's gonna have something to do with that thing right there. It's a bed, by the way. And that's just stuff on the wall. And guys, you need to see something very, 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 very weird that you probably won't even believe. Get it? So that tape right there, that's been there since kindergarten. I'm in 2nd grade, so that's been there for 2 years on the back of that. That's my hand when I was in 2nd grade.
Looks nice. Got your drawers all done?
Mm-hmm. That's my grandma. Your little face. Do your face.
What's my face?
The one on Chatterpix.
What's that one?
My grandma's so weird, right, guys? Just gonna keep recording eating flipsides. You need to try flipsides. Yeah, any one of those on the back. Good. Or get the pizza ones. Pizza. They're the best ones. I'm on my brother's bed right now, but it doesn't matter. Check out my brother's channel, Ron Dressel. And Roblox man and the channel you're on right now. Go check out Denver Aquarium's Mermaid Fish Fun. Go check out that. 1.1 thousand views. Go check it out. Just saying, all the flipsides are the same. They both have pretzel. I mean, not just pretzel. It can have pizza and ice, or vanilla ice cream and mint chocolate chip. Well, some say like snack crackers still have like pizza shapes, you know? It's always gonna be a cracker and a pretzel. It even says, sorry guys, it even says, one side pretzel, one side cracker. Right guys? Right? Oh, that's the bed right there. Get the box out of here.
Shut your mouth again. You'll be able to hear. You probably won't be able to hear.
That's my grandma. Crazy grandma, right, guys? I know. I don't know. But my mom gonna help me. She says she's eating right now, like me. Hopefully it's entertaining for you guys. It is for me. Cause look at that. Pretzel and cracker. Get these at your local store. Back into the wall. Oh, there, come on. You gotta listen to me. It's the best whole thing in the world. Everything in the world, guys. You gotta do it. Do it. Do it. Give me eat them. No problem. Just do it. Really good. Since I have to film. My camera's getting all greasy. So I'm just gonna set my camera down. Also, the way better angle. Let's see what I want. Head to toe. So go there.
Hey, babe.
That's my mom. I think we're gonna be recording our video. Let's go get her. Mommy, are you ready to record?
Not yet.
When will you be ready?
Give me like 20 minutes, honey. Okay?
Okay. My mom won't be ready till 3:40. 20 minutes. It's 3:20 right now. 3:39 she'll be ready. 20 minutes? I can't film the video. Okay. I'm gonna have to make this video into each individual part. Individual parts. Guys, I got the hippos. Sorry, I haven't been talking, but it is too good. Guys, you gotta try this. Let me show you what the box looks like again. There. Try them. Wait. And you guys gotta try this. I'm not gonna tell you what it is. It's actually I'll tell you. It's a blue Taki. I'm not gonna eat it because it's too spicy. These are very, 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 very spicy. Look at my hand. My hand is already covered in it. Oh my god. Okay. We're just gonna leave that for my brother for a little present. Because he loves them. Probably his favorite Taki in the world. Guys, since my mom won't be done for like 17 minutes maybe. We're just gonna do the jumping right now. Okay guys, so I'm on my bed. The only thing you can see are my legs. Only thing you can see are my legs. I just had to put my phone down. So I'm gonna be jumping off that thing. Okay guys? Oh, I'm actually just gonna be jumping off my bed onto my brother's bed. I'm not even gonna use that. So let's jump. Oh, that was pretty fun. Yep, it's officially 12-minute video. Well, I'm gonna have to say bye. Make this into a part. This will be part 1. We're gonna do 2 parts. This might be a little while. I can't wait. 18 more minutes. Maybe like 15 minutes. I can't wait that long. 15 minutes. See, 10 plus 12. And then 10 plus 10 is 20. So that'd be 27 more minutes of, this video would be 27 minutes. And it would be even longer. So I'm at the end of the video here. Like and subscribe to every single video you see.